Hello guys and welcome back to another video of Knocking Brothers, and this is me Palash. Today we have with us the OnePlus 5T, which is recently launched, and this is the whole box. As you can see, it's powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon core, and these are all the specs given here. It costs 37,999 Indian rupees, and this is the complete box. So let's unbox it. So first we have the phone here, as you all can see. Chill. And here we have the safety information and quick start guide, along with a OnePlus sticker, and this is the dash charging. This is the USB cable port. So OnePlus has held the smartphone value of crown for years now. OnePlus 5 might have bumped up the price, but it was still a bit of a steal. And now the OnePlus 5T looks even a better bargain. It takes some hardware and design, but updates with its skinny bezel and improved camera, and some fancy facial recognition. Favorites like dash charging return alongside a Snapdragon 835 CPU, 6 or 8 GB of RAM, and 64 or 128 GB of storage. Really though, the price is what makes OnePlus 5T such a winner. It arrives with Android 7, but Oreo is on the way. The telephoto cam has a new sensor and wider f1.7 aperture now, matching the 16 megapixel wide angle sensor. At a time when the rest of the phone world is experimenting with fragile glass, it is great to see OnePlus sticking with aluminium. The switch to an 18:9 aspect ratio means OnePlus 5T has gained some pixels. The 6.1 inch panel now tops at 180 by 2160 pixels. Photos and Full HD videos look sharp enough with vibrant colors thanks to the AMOLED display technology. A few tips and tricks will be: first, silent fight. Get your game on without using distractions by using Game DND mode. It mutes incoming notifications when you load your favorite apps. Second, fresh-faced. Bit of a declutter. OnePlus lets you go completely minimal with the OS by hiding all those unwanted status bar icons with a few taps. The OnePlus takes on Google's mobile OS, Oxygen OS. Android with its sprinkles. New for the OnePlus 5T are software buttons instead of hardware keys. So here is the camera quality, as you all can see, and it's completely amazing with a great autofocus. The phone comes in with an Android 7.1.1 and also will get an Android Oreo update soon. So this is the complete OnePlus 5T interface, which is really cool, and the 16:9 aspect ratio is amazing.